What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing some lighting upgrades on the lifted Civic. Right now we just have that one light bar. We're going to add a little bit to it, and we also got new tail light to fix that broken one. We'll be running these FCK Lightbar pod lights. Got two of them, and I've also got the dual harness, so that should make everything pretty easy. So we'll get this tail light thrown on real quick. I think we're gonna put the pod lights right in here. So we'll make some brackets for that and all that stuff and get all this wired in and see how it looks. Well, this is the tail light we're gonna swap out real quick. And there's really nothing to it. It's just 4 bolts right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put your bulbs in. So get that swapped out real quick, and then we can get to those pod lights. Got this tail light in. I guess 99-2000, the red and the yellow is flipped because yellow's on bottom, and there's a stock tail light with yellow on top. But no big deal. I just flipped the bulbs around in there. It should be fine. So now we'll get to the pod lights right here. And I'm thinking somewhere like that. So I'll get this wiring out and see what kind of length it has and stuff like that, and we'll go from there. So this harness is plenty long. It is the perfect length to go one there and one there, and then come on down. You've got all your stuff to go at your battery, and then plenty of extra wiring to get the switch into the car. So I'm going to take these little connectors right quick and get them wired up on this, and then we'll plug everything together and make sure the lights come on with the switch and all that stuff. Got these all set up, got the little mounts on there. And then these connectors that it came with, I thought they were shrink tube, like these ones. And you can see they did not shrink. So I just went ahead and put these on. I know it's not going to be able to, take it apart and pull them off, how it's designed with this harness, but it's no big deal. At least it'll be waterproof because these are shrink tube here. So instead of testing them out, I'm just going to run the harness and then just get them installed, see how they work whenever they're actually on the car. All the wiring's ran, goes up under the headlight, through there, and then under the battery tray, through the firewall, and then it comes into here. Nice little light up switch. And then it's negative, got your positive. Got a little relay right here with the fuse box, and then got the regular fuse just tucked away right in there. So I'm going to use these headlight brackets and turn them into light brackets. So I'm going to take all these apart and figure out if that's going to work. I was able to just chop a little piece out, turn them into a couple brackets. And then I went ahead and grind the paint off the underside of that. So we'll go ahead and tack those on right there and then get these mounted up. Alright, got everything set up. So we'll go ahead and try and tack these on there. It'd probably help if I turn the machine on. Yeah, that should work pretty well. It's set back behind the bar a little bit. So if it does hit something, it's hitting the bar before it hits the light. See if I can't get this welded the rest of the way on there. Alright, there's the first one. Let's see if that one's in the right place. Oh, that one's a little bit too far back. Pop that off there. Maybe that's a little better. Yeah, that'll get it. Finish welding it on there and then we'll mount these lights. Alright, so I'll get these lights mounted up and get them wired in and we'll see how they work. Everything's mounted up, wired in, so we'll see, I guess we'll see if it works. They both come on? Yep. Not bad. We'll have to see what it does look like at night. So just a little lighting upgrade from FCK Lightbars. Just a couple pod lights. And then throwing that tail light in there. So it's pretty much all we got for today. We'll wait till it gets dark and I'll show y'all what it looks like at night so you can really tell how bright they are. But that's going to be all for this one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Alright, here's a quick shot of what the lights are like in the dark. Just the pods. Pretty bright.